Hello guys, it's New Jersey again. Last off, we ended off in the castle of Larry and defeated this thing. I mean, we might do the secret level, but that's for later. Now, we're gonna move on to World 2. My favorite world. It seems like every single world has a secret, which I don't know what it leads to, but I hope it's something good.
Let's go!
And finally, we're in the hot stands. So we can continue, I don't know, rescuing the princess. Like my always does. I have a feeling there was no. Wait, is that Twitter? Was that Twitter or Mario too? Oh my gosh. Is that an ice flower? Get the ice and people. Yeah, I love ice and people. Okay, I control enemies. That's not something you can do normally. Yaha! It's like Mario 2. For the whole nother level. I like the ice flower. Keeping this. Also, gonna have a backup fight. Ice flower. Wait, enemy from Mario Bros. The arcade one? And Fire Bros? Man. That's a lot of enemies. English. That's a lot of enemies. Which some of them might be new to you guys because you guys never even played the sequel. Like these guys. Not the Goombas. These guys. Oh yeah, also these other Goombas. I think they're called Goombas. Yep, they're Goombas. Man, there's so much Mario goodness in this game. Well, this fan game. The like of the Cheep Cheeps. The Cheep Cheeps. Or Cheep Cheeps, you may ask? The fish, what do you think they are? Our first water level, let's do this. Also, Mario's sprite is amazing. He's actually holding his breath, I think. Oh man, we have to get the lame fire flower, which... Wait, what? What kind of fire flower was that? Okay, that was kind of weird. Koopas underwater. This doesn't work out. And plus, you can't be stomping the Koopas while you're swimming. How's that gonna work out? Jolly, get the door!
Jacket, hoodie. You got a jacket, hoodie, jacket, hoodie. Cool, man.
Hoodie.
You might want to put it. It's kind of cool outside there, son. Right there.
Daddy got here though.
Right, y'all acting like they just. Y'all ain't even that tough. For me, y'all ain't no football player. So, y'all just walk out and say, hey, ain't that right? Yeah. You want a hat? No, you cool. We might go. I'm gonna see if it's open, but we gonna go put. Get you some tennis shoes on. This some shoes?
Yeah, those very shoes.
They look like house shoes.
Yeah, they regular shoes. Yeah, but don't put it past them. They will.
I know. That's why I had to check.
Yeah.
Because I know I didn't see them before. But I'm like, y'all just don't shoot baskets in house shoes. Y'all gonna have some bad feet, boy. Y'all, that concrete hurt.
Yeah, they got his regular shoes. Tell by the color.
Huh?
Tell by the color.
Yeah.